Hello guys, today we're going to be learning how to draw a Nerf gun. Now I know actual video of doing a Nerf gun video, that idea was canceled. We couldn't do that, so sorry guys. But anyways, we're going to get on with the how to draw a Nerf gun. I'm thinking we might do that in our next video, but first we're going to start out by making this. It's kind of like line like this. And then we're going to color it in with some blue or orange. You can choose. Gonna do this. Here, you guys can take a real close look. Here,